total itu ni buru-buru.
Alright.
Tolong tua.
Iya.
Wai manu rodi so. Bikin na kata ko di cuma biasa buru-buru.
Dono minak.
Ada kelab na building go.
Right.
231 wai manu road bro chicken na sari ka kambura ngoro BTFM.
Iya.
Ya total itu rere. Malu muturan rakyat.
Dono minak. Right. Toto ketunga nice tu. Ni batu ko nan raki daw nice men daw taba.
Matakalibango binangata ke mo
Kyo
chiki bale mo aerobics.
Aerobics eh?
Kasi katara man tatunga naway.
Sanjel.
Sabata na yani kana.
Right.
So webu kena yani na isulu.
Right.
Si tu man tatunga already tu na sinibale.
Right.
Do kena matarikiri kimbaleta. Endo na kana buki ko kina.
Nagaw.
Na no mumbula-mbula.
Iyo eh?
Ay bako kaya ako sara ko to ya. Si la komandanga o tuitumba o parte tu na no mundo uni rokete.
Right.
Mo sabi ko ya. Yan bayan ra. Sino mo nulungan nindalo? Lungan ni Tebeo ka? Bayan rabi ko ya. Yan rabi na. O nangyari na nadaba na bali siya mo ka, hindi ni sinibosa.
Iyo eh?
Enak ka niriray. Pero kamanta nga siya kanibuha.
Iyo?
Iko na po sabi ko, kerker, yalo binak. Sambala mo na nung garabi ko. Kerker mo buha. Iko ba ka mo saba, sungko ito nga sa nibali. Ang baking ko kerker mo buha. Ray na nadaba na, o kaya kambula mo na numati umikaile.
Oy, o sangay kilago.
Iya. Iko na po sabi ko.
Manu. Na buwaka na kuli.
Iya.
Ako do bosta ko kana untuk kompon itu ba.
Uy, nako.
Buto tolago.
Tumututol may osa sa sauni.
Yan benar kan sar-sar cumai.
Iya.
Yan mataka ni kuha na ouch palangi show na bito ko binaka ni BSP unsecured personal loan. Otalaki na punjes the proud sponsors of the Fijian.
Don talo di kuha umanda sa don bro katasar nga.
Nada.
Iya, oray ko rin talo maro talo chungo demisi.
Alright.
Ikimni na kada be itura ni tamil na dalem.
Iyo.
Ano binaka blessed Thursday.
Right.
Olom situ isawana ano binaka may batu tumena dingo.
Right.
Like koro. Ano binaka na mataka binaka.
Well, good morning to you too. Thank you very much for accompanying the services of our Outspalling show.
All right.
This morning. Thank you for the Greece, Michele. Thank you for the Teminita. This is like a control vehicle.
Who's the Teminita?
You know the Teminita?
No.
That means that you are determined to be a Teminist.
Please, can you just take us through team list for the Nrua?
All right.
Okay.
For Nrua team, please.
The call for the Nrua team is very awesome this morning.
Thank you,
The jersey number 1 goes to Chode Koro Induandua.
Thank you, Big Bone.
Jersey number 2, Captain Ikanibere. Ndonge, Bode, and Nasila Sila will be locked. Waka and Awanga and Salama will be 6 and 7.
Right.
8 is earlier than a Kaibata. Halfback is Simi Kurwali.
Right.
The kicking T. Armstrong Ravula is number 10.
Wow.
Epeli Momo is a 400-meter runner.
Right.
Valetini is a kicking T2.
Right.
Yosef Omasi is 1-3.
Right.
Rabutamanda is 1-4.
Right.
FB is San Roses a fullback.
Sandina.
Reserve bench. Tongyatama Tungiri Tawake Rotusolura Miramira Matawalu Mans and Rakuro.
So Mans is back.
Back Ramans.
Congratulations.
Yeah. That's a game of 2:05 this Sunday at Dunedin in New Zealand.
Right.
Welcome.
I just had the call now
Who's call?
from Mickburn.
Oh.
You can go and replace Donge.
Donge is the height is set. The weight is lost. The only prop who will climb the scrum. Nangon scrum bang kono kamar tu indaling teman. Bato lagi. Odi nalili meliti kamera ba meu ngasi.
Kada kailangan into a red card bimetu ba. Kung ka red card, no ni scrum. Step talchi. Bigyan ka ka my Hammers Springs.
Right.
South Island, New Zealand.
Bulan.
So me Hemesville.
Tama na buno tatango di South Island ko
Iya.
Okay, lain tomo. Ano ba naman tadi ko? Kita ba ano itu si nakandiu-ndiu?
Bulan.
Baru sa singo man Central Hawke's Bay.
Right.
Waipuku Rau, New Zealandi. Osti, Omena, Obis, Obil, Ochana Utusai, Watake, Manidia.
All right.
Mabileko Lomani.
Hey, those gang are tuning in Demesi.
Who's
from Bamba? Big Bulabinaka to the gang in 128 Noga Avenue, East Kilo, my Melbourne.
Wow.
Victoria, Penyasi Kanandamo. motoriki, what is on my daing the manu, Tony party my lao, anasa my sawakasa, Tony Biao my Nasautoka, Wenibuka, hey, and Thomasin Ravikula, Somo City, my gau, the and Esirambama Loloma. And all the houses, no Valkyrie. Punimbor house, South Casavo, Warosar Tungango Lake Taniugo.
Okay, to this song to Seva Cutambua.
Right.
Fifimbi Usabaro Mengole Tungo Ivuli. And Ratu Manasa, Ratu Sevana Junior, and my baby lovely Fane Kadanabesi. Ulimata Ibudi Road, Suri. And all the best to Ngerengertambua, Sevanaya, Asinia, not forgetting the team from Naitasiri for the February challenge this week.
Okay. Alright, we keep on looking at it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to December no detail.
Mai.
Then you were saying, if there's one rocket plant, 70 waters na fruit.
Right.
You come Vostaka.
Not Mostaka. You talk. You talk. If you can believe, I will talk to you right now. Another one.
Oi.
Yeah. When one coconut tree, when coconut tree doesn't bear fruit, you have to talk to the coconut tree.
The question I'm asking, how will the coconut tree hear what you say?
You will not see in the response of the talkative.
All right.
You will see after years or months. You can see they will bear fruit.
No.
Give them a chance.
That's a concept of talking and reply with a response.
Maybe that's the time for them to boa.
Because if you talk, if you want to see, you talk to this post. I believe in that. I believe in that. If you plant something and does not bear fruit, you talk to him. See, if you not, I will use the knife to talk to you.
Why you want to use the knife? Because God created. Who are you to cut it down?
You can see the difference.
You have no power.
The power of talk can make them strong and bear fruit.
No, because you want to cut. Don't cut.
Don't cut. Oh. Don't cut maybe. Don't bula.
Right, and we can go.
Right.
Mata bobo nanti.
Yeah.
You know why I'm laughing? Because he said he want to cut the thing. There's no power to cut anything that God creates. Don't cut.
Don't cut. Okay, this is the story about when somebody stepping someone's food from different kitchen.
What kind of food?
The food. So they during the meeting, the Turani Koro called the community. Please come forward and we talk about something that is affecting the village assembly, village scheme.
Right.
So everybody is witness.
Right.
Everywhere they go in the night, they show them.
What they do?
Yeah, these two, they collabing, they featuring.
They what?
They doing. Baka may round daw lasa tiko, raw lasa lo tiko na. They both married. They both married in different organizations.
They step school and they go to another school.
They married, they collaboration. So many people they talking, hey, we saw them there, but they debate.
So they in the
no hard evidence.
They debate.
So the Turadikoro asked if you come to the village hall, we talk about this reality, so that to end the war, and affair of see them because it's like because the village now is coming to an end.
Right. What happened?
Apa kami sama ini karu sana koro?
Oh, okay.
You people coming from here, coming from the collaboration.
All right.
We need to end this.
Right.
We need to end this.
Yeah.
Some people, when the village call for Asoli,
Right.
some people they don't come for Asoli.
Uh-huh.
They don't have money because in Bausi.
Oi.
Right.
Yeah.
So the time has come.
Kami come for meeting. For
Right.
meeting for the Talanoa.
Rau
Lasa.
Tingo.
Yeah, Rau betang tingo ni Rau Lasatiko.
Yeah.
So the married
Mm.
with their husband,
Yeah.
the married with the wife,
Right.
Oi.
come together.
Yeah.
All the chiefly they come together to
Yeah.
talk.
Ah.
They bring one talatala.
Oi.
The talatala talk first before the meeting.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need yeah.
Yeah.
This is a talk. We not come here to
Fight.
create fight.
Yeah.
Right.
We are coming here to resemble to resemble the pattern that was gone. Some of us, we are thinking
Yeah.
that we can only have the power to come
Right.
and take somebody's wife.
Yeah.
That's wrong.
Right.
It's a penalty.
Tal.
Yeah.
Penalty try.
Penalty triangle squatter. This is a penalty.
Yeah.
We need to end this.
Yeah.
So they come. They talk to each other.
Yeah.
Tamay Sirima.
Right.
Tamay Sirima.
Yeah.
If you take something without permission,
Yeah.
That's not yours.
that's not yours.
Saya bilang sekarang permission, but saya sangat lundum.
Yeah, you are not allowed to do
Yeah.
that. Who's take the power to you to say that anything here can belongs to you?
Yeah.
See your mouth.
Yeah.
You are thinking that what's with you, Nanomiya.
Yeah.
What's with you? You can take someone else.
All right.
That's a die. Ramate.
Are you going out with Chile Sharima?
No, Tamay Sirima is there.
Oh, it's Sharima.
You Tamay Chone
Yo.
to Tine Sirima.
Right.
Tine Sirima.
Yo.
Did you collaboration
With
Yeah.
Tamachone?
with Tamay Chone?
Yo.
No.
Which
Turan.
Tamachone?
Yeah.
Did you collaboration? Raula Satiko.
Yeah.
Saran dami tu nalikor. Everybody was silent.
Tamachone
No.
Tine Sharima.
No.
Yeah.
Last two, only 3 question.
Yeah.
The other question I want to ask you.
Yeah.
Tolong taro.
Yeah.
The other question I want to ask you.
Yeah.
Second last.
Yeah.
Are you collaboration with Tinay Sirima?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Everybody was sitting there.
Ati bulu pa tu menlalang.
Hey!
Kuni Conchico.
Kuna konci ko ora itu nambong isiro tu le may ka tun karo karo kada man daw sisil ta tu may ka len daw sil tu nambong le.
Gol.
Who's are you to come and in the river?
Gol. Nasamu.
Who are you to come and sour in the water ball?
All right.
Who's?
Oi.
Alay ko.
Tamachone kuni Lasigo.
Yeah. So everybody was wondering. So last question for you.
Because
This is
Tamachone look nice for like that.
yeah, that's
Question and last chance.
last chance for you. Please
Yeah.
look outside.
Yeah.
Who's there?
All the weka.
Many.
Uh.
Ang gitaru ni kwa. Did you?
Did you? What?
Did you collaboration with Sirima?
Tine Sharima.
Sirima sa dumo to tini Sirima.
Uh-uh.
Sa simbero ko. No. I just use my eyes to see. Ataro turani. Sa roti tayo nang tamay chon. And raw lasa tiko bati kay tini Sirima.
Tamachone.
Asinimbero tamay chon. Esa nga.
Yeah.
Away roba nga. Asinimbero mo tamay Sirima may tumba.
Yeah.
Mau kanta bitulo manibal.
Yeah.
Ay roba na laban no mo. Why you peeping out that Josh? Why you peeping out that Josh?
That's mine, man.
Why you to see? Why you to look?
Dari sa chico turang ni Tamil na libumin.
Eh, penesa lang bongi. Meow. Eh, sarap.
Ayaw sarang talo ya.
Yeah.
Who are you to see?
Who are you to see? Huh?
Ya, kakek tu bikin neno kan main bulu singa lomo ko.
Iya.
Orang ba ko cinta lo ko ken talo.
Ken talo. Iya.
Mataki wate
Right.
benaka makerata maraman di tambua.
Bula benaka.
Tu sebentar sumai kay lomo wai.
May
Nanronga.
nanronga. Right.
Kan benaka bikin tu na tamil lomo wai.
Iya.
So, bener sa ko tabalo pen.
Eh, yan benaka.
Iya. Pero boleh besar itu kari kan numuri borong bulmai. Arbuna kaseta sungturanga.
Dor naka.
Silo delana.
Iyo.
Mataki wate melna delebu.
Right.
Situ isawana. Terus apa malam boli bulu bito kaya bulu tabu mani borro bulu mikina. Ada mataki binani.
Au iro banga.
Arbuna ka John Kumar.
Dola.
Seta sungturanga sebesar cingko me Guam.
Bulu naka.
Sala delana.
Iyo.
Sebesar cingko me Malebani.
Iyo.
Me Australia.
Sajeda.
Arbuna ka sala. Kau dari binakan mataki didai.
Wani binata tunga be seko pe mativi.
Iyo.
Ando mule binaka wani binaka matiavi. Wani binaka wani bengra be sini kuwa.
Right.
Angai sia takatoka nonda live.
Right.
Sia ando mandanum sia hata kena likes.
Right.
En sini kuwa. Meron ni bebu gitu nonda mule besing. So bikenda.
Iyo.
Stop tu dende ngono ngoni.
Right.
Rongo tu na vital noa.
Iyo.
Rebe tu na marau.
Iyo.
Ren bebu gitu kina.
Rongo tu na kipital no.
En sini kuwa. Masia.
Jim sele mai subar binaka. Mataki wate ni arbuna turang.
Iyo.
Kito me kito saraba.
Dor naka.
Inabalebu.
Nabalebu BSP. Unsecured personal loan batang ngaki na punjis the proud sponsors of the Fijian and Rua.
Miriam Dakau kira na serre na irobiko.
Wow. Iro.
Sama cuma sali ka kabura na Beat FM like takito tinggal kaya Facebook page. Pagbatay kito na 7756503. Go Kurmundo.
Umi kagalo mo lang.
De Messi.
Ikalunga tadi mode.